You guys, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
My fans, followers, supporters, and anyone who just likes to look good. Did you miss me? Probably not, but it's okay, because I'm here to say, if you don't know, you won't know. It's me, Lucas, Retro Original, back by unpopular demand with another episode of... What the hell did I get in the mail today? And as long as you're not legally blind,
I cannot see, I'm legally blind.
and you should be able to see, I got a fat bundle of tees. I promised they came in a box. I had 2 boxes actually taped together, which was absolutely hilarious and amazing at the same time. You gotta love the ingenuity within the vintage community. You gotta. So like I said, I got a lot of tees in the mail, so I gotta run through these a little snappier than usual, because ideally I don't make this video the length of a movie, although I probably would get some decent awards for it, you know, but I'll take over the movie industry later in life. For now, I'll just continue focusing on this clothing thing. So without further ado, let's hop into these tees, shall we? Alright, check this first tee out. Bada bing, bada boom. We got this brand new with tags, liquid blue Jeff Jarrett tee. And you definitely don't see Jeff Jarrett tees too often, let alone on a liquid blue tag, let alone new with tags. And I'm telling you right now, that is a little heater right there. And you flip and dip onto the back, you got that TNA hit right on the back of your neck. Total non-stop action, baby. That's what you love to see. New with tags, got the sticker down low. Ooh-wee! That is a juicy way to start her off, if I do say so myself. All right, on to the next one. Check it out. Another heater for you guys, and if you know, you know. We got that orange skull pile, liquid blue, new with tags, and the sticker in case you thought this was a game, cause it ain't. Nothing on the back, unfortunately. It does not wrap around, but to make up for it a little bit, this one glows in the dark, ladies and gents. You gotta love that. You love to see it, and this colorway is definitely one of the rarer ones. I love the orange, pops so nice. Alright guys, on to the next tee, and we got another liquid blue. I'm sorry if you're getting tired of it, but I'm most definitely not. Now this one is newer, unfortunately, so I won't show this one too long, but the Grateful Dead tie-dye tees always do super well for me, so I don't mind snatching them up for the low and providing them for the low as well, because they are awesome graphics and awesome tees to look at. So nice, I had to buy this one twice. So we got 2 of those in, and I'm stoked on those, even if they're newer. Alright guys, on to the next one here, and a little break from the liquid blue, but we got non-stop heat for you today. Check this out. The Mad Engine Madness, new with tags. You got the Goblin using Spidey as his pawn. This graphic is just so sick that I had to snatch it up with the quickness as soon as I saw it up for grabs. Added it right to the bundle. Nothing on the back of this one, but that front graphic is just so dope, and I haven't seen it before, so like I said, snatched it up with the quickness. And the Mad Engine stuff's doing nothing but going up right now, so super stoked to add that to the inventory. I think that's a great piece to have. Alright guys, let's get into the next one, and boy, oh boy, was that a short-lived break, because we got another liquid blue tee, this time on the 90s white tag, made in USA. This is from 96, that Joey Mars Life on Mars graphic with the man just chucking up the deuces. You gotta love it. Not too big of a graphic, but definitely a rare tee you don't see too often, and on a super cool colored tee. I just love this one. Nothing on the back, but a juicy pickup and a nice addition to the inventory for sure. Alright, on to the next one. Check this one out. Not too much to this tee, but definitely a dope one that brings back some memories. We got the Garbage Pail Kids 2004 nose picker tee. Just gotta love it. This one's on the Delta tag. Nothing on the back of this one. Not too much to show you, but definitely a dope tee to add to the inventory. Boom. Alright, on to the next one. Another little switch up for you guys. Check it out. Another new with tags, in case you thought this was a game, because, I mean, honestly, I hope by now that you know this is anything but we got that Roberto Clemente Forever tee, posted up on the front like the absolute legend he is. Unfortunately, there's nothing on the back of this one, but that all-time great on the front, I think, is definitely hitting, if I do say so myself. And this tee is so nice, I had to buy it twice, baby. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. All right, on to the next one. And you guys know I normally avoid the ringer tees like the Black Plague, but this one, the graphics just too sick to pass up. I couldn't help myself. We got the Masters of the Universe. Awesome graphic on the front. Nothing else to this tee besides that, but super sick. Another tee you don't see too often. Scooping up a bunch of those today, and I'm loving it. All right, guys, on to the next one, and I'm sure you could have guessed it. We got another liquid blue, this time a long sleeve, and I'm loving the colors on the tie-dye here. The graphics are also just absolutely vicious, unfuckwittable. This is another newer one, but I think you guys can see why these sell so quickly for me. Just such a sick tee, and you know, I don't think I'll have any problem selling that, let alone the other one I got. So nice, I had to buy it twice, baby. You know the vibes. All right, let's get into the next one here, guys. We got another band tee. Check this out. The Doors with Jim Morrison just posted up on the front with his tits out for Harambe. You flip and dip onto the back, and we got the I am the Lizard King, I can do anything. And honestly, very valuable words to live by. I'm sure Jim, anytime he got in any interactions with the cops, was just like, I don't know, officer, I'm the Lizard King. I can do anything I want. Sorry, I don't know what to tell you. This one's from 2003, a nice little early 2000s piece, great graphic. Right, on to the next one here. We got another band tee. Check this one out. System of a Down question tee. New with the sticker. You already know what's going on. Flip and dip onto the back. Nothing too crazy on this one, but I mean, a brand new band tee, I'm gonna scoop that up any day that ends in Y. I'll tell you that right now. All right, let's get to the next one here. Check this out. My main man, Miguel. Now this is damn near the same graphic as that Roberto Clemente tee I showed you guys earlier, except we got a different Puerto Rican playboy in the middle here. And I mean, this graphic speaks for itself. Vicious and delicious. So nice. Had to buy it twice. You know your boy was gonna double up. All right, on to the next tee, and I'm excited to show you guys this one. Check it out. That beautiful vintage sun graphic on the juicy, juicy tie-dye. Look at those colors. Pop, baby. Flip and dip onto the back, and you got that nice tribal print that pairs oh so well with that lovely sun on the front. 1987, an absolute banger of a tee, and I am loving it. A great addition. All right, moving on, and we're back to the band tees. I'm switching it up left and right today. I'm loving this. Lots of juicy stuff to show you guys. 1997 Aerosmith on the giant tag that we all know and love. We got the band just posted up, chilling, killing, you know, same shit, different toilet for them. Nothing on the back of this one, but a nice big front graphic that will definitely do the tee justice. On to the next. What do we got? Another band tee, another liquid blue. Grateful Dead Terrapin Station just posted up with the turtles. You gotta love it. This is another newer one. Nothing on the back, unfortunately, but this one will sell quick as well, so I ain't tripping. Moving on to the next one. Check it out. The Halloween. This one would have been better to have in October, you know, for obvious reasons, but we got this awesome electrical explosion on the pumpkin in the front with the face just peeking out, saying hello, and then you flip and dip onto the back, you got the red text. Nothing too crazy on this one, but I love the front graphic. I think it definitely does the tee justice, and it's a newer one, 2007 on this one, but definitely a nice tee, had to scoop it up. On to the next, and we got another band tee. Check this one out. The Twisted Sister, baby. You know, we got a bunch of relatively old fellas on the front trying to look young, but they're absolutely killing the game, if I do say so myself. Flip and dip onto the back, and you got that iconic I wanna rock. I wanna rock! Hit right on the back, front and center, ready to be viewed by all. Now this is a newer graphic, newer tee, but the band tees always do well for me, so again, I ain't mad at it. Let's get our next tee here. And here's another one I feel like you definitely don't see for sale too often. We got that vintage circle jerks with my main man just getting down and jiggy with it, front and center on the tee. And he is absolutely getting after it. You can see sweat shooting off of him. rubble getting tossed up by his sweet footwork. Nothing on the back of this one, but a great front graphic and a tee you definitely don't see for sale too often, like I said. So excited to bring that one to the site for you guys. All right, on to the next one, and we got another liquid blue. Now this one's a small tee, but you know, you gotta show love to all the sizes. I don't discriminate around these parts. A lovely earth tone tie-dye here, the Apache longbow on the front. Nothing on the back of this one besides a little bowing hit up by the neck, but a nice little tee, nothing too crazy. A nice addition. On to the next, and I know you guys were loving that orange colorway earlier, so it was only right I scooped the red as well. We got the red Skull Pile from Liquid Blue, brand new with tags and the sticker. And like the other one, this one does not wrap around onto the back either, which stinks, but this one is glow in the dark as well, so that's a bonus, and it's gonna make for a sweet picture with both of those for sure. On to the next one, and we got 3 more tees left, all liquid blue, all animal tees. This one, saucing like a dolphin, new with tags, liquid blue, a nice tie-dye tee, simple yet elegant. I love it. All right, next one, we're moving out of the ocean and into cheetah territory, baby. Check this one out, new with tags, liquid blue on the white tag. This one does not have a date on it, but I love the tie-dye on this one because you got like the grass, the dry grass tie-dye down here, and then that sky blue that just fades into it. Just looks so sick. Nothing on the back of this one either, but a nice new with tags liquid blue. Can't beat that, man. On to our last tee of the day here, and sticking with the theme, we got more liquid blue and more big cats, baby. So let's crack into it. Check it out. The King of the Jungle, 1997, new with tags, lion, posted front and center with all of his lioness mistresses below waiting for a turn. You flip and dip onto the back, and he is just chilling in the wind with that mane blowing beautifully. And then his nice headshot off in the distance with some potential prey and snacks for later. You gotta love it. A beautiful graphic to end it off, and those 90s liquid blue graphics are just unfuckwittable every time. So boom, follow me if you don't already, at Retro Original Co. on Instagram. I'll put the link for that in the description, making your lives a whole lot easier. Now, if you liked anything you saw in this video, or you just like cool clothes in general, be sure to check out my website, retrooriginal.com, and get you and your entire extended family fresh for less. Now, be sure to subscribe while you're here because that shit's mandatory, never an option. Slap the like button while you're at it, because if you don't, you'll never get another good thrift come up in your life, and I'd hate to see that for you. So that's everything I got in the mail today. For Retro Original, I'm Lucas Hill, and you're not.